Good day everyone, I am Janine Mary Jutanoy and I am BSED Math 1B student. Today I will be presenting on the topic of operation and function, also known as algebra of function. Just like numbers, function can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided. This procedure are collectively called the operation of function or the algebra of function. For all this operation, we will be working the two given function which we call f of x and g of x. So in addition, first we look at the addition of function. Given the two functions f of x and g of x, their sum denoted by f plus g of x. The function defined by f plus g of x is equal to f of x and g plus g of x. In subtraction, the difference between two functions. So given the two functions f of x and g of x, the difference is denoted by f minus g of x is the function defined by f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So moving on to multiplication of function, the product of the two functions. So given the function f of x and g of x, their product denoted by f times g of x is the function defined by f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x, and the division of function. Finally, we look at the division of function, the quotient of two function. Given the two function f of x and g of x, the quotient denoted by f over g times I of x is equal to f times I f times f of x over g of x. Next, we were going to apply algebra of function by working through an example of addition and subtraction of two polynomial function. So given the function f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2, and our g of x is equal to 7x squared minus 5x minus 1. So find the f plus g of x and f minus g of x. So first, finding the sum of the function. The sum of a function is defined as the f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So next, it, we replace f of x and g of x with their given polynomial. So our f of x is 4x squared plus 3x plus 2, and our g of x is 7x squared minus 5x minus 1. So next, to simplify, we combine the like terms that have the same variable and exponent. Um, uh, then the final result of the addition of function is f plus g of x is equal to 11x squared minus 2x plus 1. So next, we will find the difference of a function. The difference is defined as f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So substitute the expression. So this is the most critical step now, where we must be careful to subtract the entire g of x function. So we will replace g of x in parentheses to ensure we distribute the negative sign. So our f of x is 4x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus 7x squared minus 5x minus 1. So distribute distribute the negative sign. So that will be negative times 7x squared, that will be 7x, negative 7x squared, negative times negative 5x, that will be positive 5x, and negative times negative 1, that will be positive 1. So our final answer is negative 3x squared plus 8x plus 3. So next we were going to cover the final two operation and the algebra of function, the multiplication and division. We will use the two function for our example. No? So given the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1, find the f times g of x and f over g of x. So first will be find the product of the function. So the product of the function is defined as f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. So f of x, x plus minus 1, and our g of x, x plus 1. So multiply the expression to. So to multiply these two binomials, we use the distributive property, or what we call the FOIL method. So combine like terms. Next, we combine like terms. So the final answer is x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1. Next, let's find the quotient of the function f over g of x. So the quotient is defined as over g of x of g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. So substitute the expression. Our f of x is x2 minus 1 and our g of x x plus 1. So simplify the expression. Notice that the numerator is x squared, so which can be factored out as x plus 1 and x minus 1. So, so cancel the common factor. Cancel the common factor x plus 1 from the numerator and the denominator. So the final answer is f over g of x is equal to x minus 1.